Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah. Do 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 do. In a shimmering bay where the sun kissed the tide, 5 ducks dance along with the dolphin beside. They waddled in laughter, their feathers so bright, while the dolphin leaped high, an enchanting delight. Do 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 do. Come join us, quacked with a voice like sweet song. We'll paddle together, we all can't go wrong. The dolphin replied with a splash and a spin. I'm ready to play, let our adventures begin. Do 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 do. With each gentle ripple that broke on the shore, the ducks flapped their wings as they longed to explore. They paddled through kelp beds and played hide and seek, with bubbles of laughter rising up from the creek. Oh dear friend, said Dippy, the dolphin so bold, let's race neath the waves where the wonders unfold. We'll glide through the currents and dance with delight. With you by my side, everything feels just right. Through gardens of coral and color so rare, the 5 little ducks felt joy float in air. They watched silverfish darting in playful pursuit, as nature's own symphony echoed each toot. But as twilight descended and painted skies blue, a shadow crept softly across waters anew. A storm rolled on swiftly, it darkened their play. The waves grew quite restless, they'd soon be swept away. Doop 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 doop. Oh friends, quacked who was wise for his age, we must find safe harbor, we cannot engage. Hold close to my side as we navigate fast. Together we'll weather this tempest at last. So they huddled together while thunder would roar. Through rain-soaked horizons they clung evermore. Dippy dove deep while those feathery 5 wove courage from friendship that kept hope alive. And when morning broke gently upon weary eyes, the storm had subsided beneath pastel skies. 5 ducks with a dolphin emerged from despair, their hearts intertwined like soft breezes in air. Now tales will be whispered of bonds made so strong, of 5 little ducks who learned where they belong. In unity's splendor their spirits entwined, embracing life's journeys wherever they find. Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.